Hey guys, this is Colin, and in today's video I'm partnering up with Mabett to review their tailgate spoiler for a 2025 Ford Maverick XL. This procedure should be the same for all 2022 and higher model Mavericks. I'm going to unbox the product, install it, answer questions that I originally had, like will it interfere with a tonneau cover, and can I still carry plywood or materials, provide some before and after footage, and provide a review. Let's get started. This is the box that it came in. It actually came in a larger box that was about 5 times as tall as this. I've already cut the box, and inside we have the spoiler itself. Here's a close-up of the quality. It also comes with a priming wipe, and here is the instruction manual. The first thing we're going to do is wipe down the area of debris. I've already used the microfiber cloth to clean the area. The next thing we're going to do is wipe down the surface with the priming wipe. Then we'll peel off the double-sided tape backing. I'm going to remove the backing off of the double-sided tape on the sides and about 1 inch for the front and rears. I'll put this in place, making sure that it lines up on both ends. I'll pull the rest of the backing off. And then I'll firmly push down where the double-sided tape is. And that's it. This is what the area looked like before the install. This is with the tonneau cover on. The rear spoiler doesn't seem to affect it at all. The lip of the tonneau cover has a gasket and it barely touches it. At least for my soft tonneau cover from Ford, the rear spoiler is not an issue. It adds about a 1/8 inch of thickness. In order to transport 4x8 sheets of gypboard, plywood, or other material, you can lower the tailgate to the middle position. That involves moving this cable from here to up here, and with the tension, it just holds it in the middle position. The truck bed is smaller in the middle, it's less than 4 feet, but if you put it on the wheel wells on the side, it becomes 4 feet. I only have a partial sheet of gypboard, but for demonstration purposes, this side would be resting on the wheel well. This would extend outside of the tailgate, and as you can see, it's resting on the tailgate trim that comes from the factory. It does not even touch the new spoiler. So the spoiler is not an issue when transporting 4x8 sheets. I bought some larger items at IKEA. With the packages resting on the bottom of the front of the truck bed, it just clears the spoiler. Moving on to the review of the Mabett Tailgate spoiler. What I like about this modification is the aesthetics that it adds. I think it makes the truck look more aggressive, and it complements the roof spoiler as well. It has the same curved design. The build quality is good. It's made of hard plastic. The texture, sheen, and color is very similar to the plastic that's already on the vehicle. The fit and finish is also very good. It lines up flush with the tailgate. My 2 concerns were, 1, that it would interfere with the tonneau cover, but it does not. This adds about 1/8 of an inch, and it does not seem to get in the way of that. My other concern was that if I'm loading material, it would hit the spoiler. But I was transporting a box inside that rested on the bottom of the truck bed, and when it sloped, it's like they designed it perfectly where it barely cleared the back of the spoiler. Also, when you have the tailgate supported on the upper hinges to transport plywood drywall or other materials. It rests on the stock tailgate trim and it clears the spoiler. That alleviated my concerns with material hitting this new spoiler. This spoiler is also a lot cheaper than the one that is sold by Ford. I think that one is $200. I'll show a screenshot of the product and pricing on the screen right now, the one that's offered by Ford. In terms of drawbacks or suggestions, I don't really have any, but if I really had to nitpick, it does add some thickness to the trim that was already in place. Maybe they could have modified this piece to have an integrated spoiler, so you would have to replace this entire section so that it is uniform. So it doesn't look like you just glued on another piece of plastic to it. It's being very nitpicky and it probably would have cost more. That's it for this review. If you guys are on the market for a tailgate spoiler for your Ford Maverick, I would suggest that you check this one out. A link to the product with its current pricing is in the description section below, and there's also a code where you can get 10% off if you order from the official Mabett website. And that applies to all products on the website as well, not just the tailgate spoiler. Let me know your thoughts, whether you like this tailgate spoiler or not. Is it something you would do on your vehicle? Thank you guys for watching this video. Feel free to like this video if you found it helpful. Feel free to leave questions or comments in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and take care.